Hey, what's up, y'all? Just want to give y'all a quick walkthrough on how to do a driver's side headlight on a 2011 Grand Cherokee Limited. Um, I found the easiest way to do it is by taking I guess the wheel fender, this little cap thing. I don't know what the hell you would call it, but you twist it to the left, that pops out. Then just stick your hand up in there. You stick your hand up in there, and then there'll be this rubber boot covering up the headlight that pops right out. And then this, you turn this counterclockwise. You stick your hand up in there, and you grab the box. You grab the box, and I turned it to the left, and then it pops right out like that, like so, like so. And then I think there's like I think there's a tab on this. I think there's a tab on the headlight, but I'll probably upload part 2 real quick.